Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday again. It's open day for us in Crypto Traders Arena. So this live stream is for public. Day trading with Stefan on YouTube is for public. New York session on Discord is for all the members. So if you have time, if you consider that you want to follow us or you want to know our opinions, you know what to do. Okay. Morning Darren, morning Machiavelli, hey Andrei, hey Andrei, hey Benz, hey Danny, hey Sebastian, hey Andrea, hey Vasile. Well, to many of you, I'll say good morning everyone, and I think that that's it. Okay. Usually we use this one. Nice W on daily, on CME, you can see. We had that gap. We closed yesterday bullish, and that means we have the gap. Now it's an official gap. We closed the daily without closing the gap. So now we have another gap below. Let's just frame it. Pretty simple, another gap here. Last night the government opened in the United States, and you can see we pushed a bit higher. Technically you can see some resistance here, and we rejected. We can close the gap today, possible. We can bounce here, possible. This area 105, you can see it's basically exactly in the middle. We are equal distance between 100 and 110. Luckily, it's the neckline of this W, so that's bullish, that's nice, but still middle of the ranges. So it's ugly to trade here on daily, it's ugly to do anything. Like I said yesterday, if you want to play on the long side, take this W on daily and live with the results. So retest of the W, take a long here, stop loss here at 99 and live with the results. Too many people are bearish here. Well, up to them. Morning, Stefan. Good morning. So, exactly in the middle of the range, not the best location for us to trade. Okay, we can go on lower time frame and day trade, scalp. Yes, that's something else. But as a swing trader, no. We can do another round, maybe another orange sun event or something, and complete this AB equals CD. If we consider CZ post, yeah. Well, with CZ, without CZ, we need to take it level by level and try to frame some setups. Location here is bad because we are in the middle of the range. That's my conclusion. Nice to see some bullish divergence here. Nice to see some bullish, some W's on RSI, some W's on OBV, yeah, confirming what we saw on the price action. The only trade I could see here is taking the neckline of the W and play along. If we want to play a short, well, actually we need a bit higher. We need to get close to 110 in a short reload zone here to think, well, let's short. Here, not the best location. Okay. You can see it on this template. AB equals CD, the smaller one, completed. W. For the moment, 100K hold, which is really nice. Similar on this one. On daily. And weekly chart, we still have a downtrend here. Look at high, low, lower high, lower low. We need to do some damage here. We need to push a lot higher. I know a lot of people say, well, no, we need to demonstrate now that we're bullish. Where I should look on daily, where I should look for a short idea. Well, short reload zone from this AB equals CD. AB, okay, CD. So the first point I'll try to hedge short or to play the short setups is here. That means 110, 111 in that area. Here is not enough for me to, the risk reward is just not there. Okay? Ethereum on daily. Same W. Acceptable location if you consider pump chaser zone. Nice W. A bit stronger. Look at the candle here. It's holding a bit stronger for the moment. It's time maybe to get some dominance back from Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's wait. So Ethereum, it's a bit stronger than Bitcoin for the moment. The same W, the same thinking. Retest of that W could give us a nice long. Similar with Bitcoin, we are between 4,000 and 3,000, exactly in the middle, and you know 3,500, it's ugly to trade on Ethereum. I showed you multiple times in the past, showed you here. You can see the same pattern is here. We can fuck around here for a long period of time. Hopefully will not be the case. It will be a clean retest and pump. Where we can think short, I prefer not to think short on Ethereum, but if you really want to do it, here is the area. Short reload zone. Just a fake out above 4,000, everyone get bullish. You see an EM and you take it. It's risky. I'll take a short on Ethereum. No. Bitcoin, the smaller template. You can see similar. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Yeah. Big downtrend channel, small uptrend channel. I'll put the 4-hour chart so you to see it. Can you see it? We need to accept above this downtrend channel, make a W the other side, and staying in this one, the green one. Nice bounce, nice uptrend channel on 4-hour chart. You can see low, high, higher low, higher high. That's an uptrend. That's the definition. Let's see what will happen. Back on daily. Dominance. Let's see the dominance. Well, we accepted and we closed back below 60%. We are fighting that level again. I'm hoping for a better EM. Could form one here, maybe. But until I see the EM, I cannot say, well, this is the altcoin season. No, I could say this altcoin looks nice and will pump, will outperform. But a general altcoin season usually starts with a nice EM on dominance. Yeah. No EM on dominance. You saw what happened here. We saw this rejection here and I said, well, let's wait for an EM, but looks nice. You saw some altcoins pumping in this dump. We are fighting 60%. It's there. It's fighting. We don't know. It's support. It's resistance. Let's wait. And you see, altcoin is not performing so well for the moment. But it's just a step. Let's see what will happen next. Okay, yes on daily. Fighting that weekly uptrend channel. In the short reload zone. Government is open. We have a rejection here. Was a nice one. We have a gap below. It's kind of a 3-bar fractal here. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3. 3-bar fractal bottom. Aggressive. Usually we stall, even if we want to pump to Valhalla. We stall in the short reload zone. And we decide if we want higher or not. It's a short reload zone. It's called short reload zone for a reason. Shark level. Good area to hunt short ideas. You are in a short reload zone, you should think stay the fuck out or short. If the market is so bullish and is so strong, we'll accept above this level. We'll break out above it, we'll close the candle body above the week high, and then we'll retest. At that retest, you go on lower time frame and you hunt some W's. You hunt some entries. That's my humble opinion. You can, I don't know, take a trade here at the market and that trade to work. But technically, not a good area to hunt long ideas. Gold. I saw someone asking about gold. Well, we had the 4,000, we had the big W. Too chunky, too big for me, but some people love it. Here, if you see an M or an SFU here, respect the pump. Don't go on 5-minute chart and catch falling nice to the upside and short and get stopped out, short, get stopped out. Wait for a clear setup on higher time frame, and when you have something clear on higher time frame, you can Go on lower time frame and pinpoint an entry. Here, nothing I can do on gold. It's too late, too long. The area, the best location was here, people. Like I showed you on silver. I'll show you again. This was the entry for gold. You had the dump, you have the bounce, and I said, after you have a big dump, wait for the bounce, and then wait for the reload, for the retest. And that's your entry. It's not only on Bitcoin, not only on shitcoins, on every chart. That's the best entry you can get. If you take it or not, that's not up to me. Or if you learn the pattern or not, that's not up to me. Now, if you miss this one, well, nothing you can do here, in my opinion, on daily as a swing trader. If this pattern will happen, you'll see the M breakdown and retest on 4-hour chart, and okay, you can attempt a short. This big candle needs a retest, and it's only one candle that scares me and tells me that maybe candle body highs could do and put a wick all the way up here, and if it's so close, could even SFU the highs. I bet that is a lot of stop losses are there. If it's too much money there, they'll go and take the money and then dump it. Okay, silver. Now, like I showed you, this is the entry, the perfect entry. You took it or you didn't took it, it's up to you. To the moon? Well, let's see how high this one could jump. Low, high, higher low, higher high. Well, we already have something here. Okay, this is a resistance. Okay, we need to accept above this one to confirm an uptrend. Yes, but you know what I'll say. Okay, extend right. This is an uptrend already. And when silver is pumping, will not respect not even this uptrend channel. Will probably accept above, and you have to be more aggressive. If you took that trade, you don't need too much TA to take that trade. If you saw me posting it and you took it, now you are probably risk free. It's pretty safe to put the stop loss at entry and just wait. That's the hard part, to put your hands under your ass and wait and wait and wait. Either will hit your stop loss, either will push higher. Okay, now total market cap being at 3.5 trillion, sorry, is giving us hope about a retest of 4 trillion here. Total 3, a bit better. Well, we rejected 1 trillion for the moment. For the moment, this becomes a big range here. 1.2, 800 billion. So this become a big range. Let's see if we'll accept above 1 trillion and we'll push higher or not. Could take some time. Okay, that's my overview. I don't want to blab away too much because Stefan has another live stream in, I don't know, half an hour. So let's keep it short this time. Now, calendar. 2 days from now, inflation rate, core inflation. Friday, PPI, retail sales. Now the government is open. Probably we'll have the reports. No? Okay. Let's go on lower time frame. 4-hour chart is our best friend here. What do we have here? We call this Monday range. Monday high, Monday low. Okay? We SFU the Monday high on 4-hour chart, and we are pushing back to take the Monday low. It's just a range. Don't get excited. Well, we'll go to Valhalla. We'll dump to 50K. No, it's just a range. Be extra careful how you play this one. Now, if we have this long reload zone, yeah, it's possible to get back in the long reload zone and form a W. That's why I have that long reload zone there to expect that level, to take that level if will come. You can see here, big chunky W breakout. On higher time frame, this is just a retest here. if the retest will come all the way down here. Sometimes it does. You can see here the support and makes a double here. That will be my entry on the long side. Here it's a bit late for me to short even on 4-hour chart. If it wants to dump, let it dump. But let's get back here. Probably we'll play the Monday range. We'll bounce from somewhere in here. We'll SFU and we'll bounce back. And if the bounce will not hold, then we'll go lower. Let's watch what will happen. Overnight people, well, they had the chance. They had the chance to play around. I was sleeping like a baby when we SFU the Monday high. Ethereum, similar. Monday high, Monday low. We are still in the range. You can see we didn't SFU the high, we didn't SFU the low. We are respecting that range. I'm expecting, like I said yesterday, this red line, this neckline to be retested. Yes. Could this one be something? If I'll get a W on lower time frame, maybe. Same long reload zone. It's a lot lower. We can get pump chaser zone for Ethereum. Well, if I'll see a W somewhere in here, I could think about pump chaser zone. AB equals CD to the upside. But for the moment, no. I don't have that. Now, I'll go and just do a short review of the shitcoins we have on the new coins on Binance. Short means if I don't see a setup, I'll just say no setup, next one, no setup, next one. Okay? So, that's for our chart. I'll open the entire template. This is a really nice template for me. I'm using it like this sometimes to get a better view what's around, to see the bigger picture. Yeah? To see the forest from the trees, how we say in Romanian. Now, one by one. Dumping, we had the setup, was the risk free, we made some money, nothing we can do here. Wait for the next W. In profit, risk free already, made some money in this area here. If you took some profit, okay. If not, at least you are risk free. You can see you are more than 1-to-1 in profit. Nothing you can do here. You can wait for a retest, lower and take the next W. Here de la. At the entry, I want to take this trade here, maybe on this one, wait for the next W on 1 hour chart. We had a pump, but looks like wants to retest and stay a little bit, fight 50 cents a bit more. This one is underwater. If you don't have this setup, don't take anything, wait for a 4-hour double, okay? That's the best. Some people, I think you got risk free here. Maybe yes, maybe not. Nothing you can do here. Wait for the next setup if you are not in. Nice W on 4-hour chart if you look here. Breakout and retest. We are already in this setup. If you took it and you are in the trade, you are risk free already. Just stay there. If not, you can consider the 4-hour W here. I'll say, well, let's draw a long reload zone and wait, or buy 61.8, or even take this big W. It's kind of chunky. I don't like it. But the risk to reward could be nice. Next one. In profit, trail. This one, let me zoom in. Let's see what we have here. Come on. I took a trade here, was risk free. I attempted here. I'm underwater. If you played it properly, probably you have a risk free. I don't have a risk free trade here on this one. This one was pumping like crazy yesterday. You should be risk free. You should be deep in profit. If you took some profit here and you are trailing the rest, nice for you. New setup, no, wait for the dump to finish and get the next W. Recall, we just got the stop loss hit. Nothing we can do. Next bus. Wait for the next W. Could be power of 3 there? Yes. So what I mean with power of 3, you can see here on this template. Let's make this one big. Let's say this consolidation, the manipulation will go below this level, will stay here, will make a W, will reclaim back, will push higher, other retest of the reclaim. That's your entry. If you know power of 3, you know what to do. If not, wait for a simple W. RVV, we managed to get risk-free. Almost. I'm not risk-free on this one, to be honest. Next boss. In the trade, a bit underwater, nothing we can do. Don't take another trade here. You can see the M on 4-hour chart. Wait for the next 4-hour W. Will take some time. Exactly here, we had the W. We played the setup on lower time frame. If you made some money, okay. Some of you, I know a lot of you don't have patience to wait with the setups, and they'll take the profit at 2 hours or even at 1 hour. Sometimes it's good, but I recommend you to wait for 2 hours to take the profit off, to close the trade. 50% win rate, which we have, and better than that, with 2 to 1 risk to reward could be the key for your success. You can see where I'm waiting on this one. In the long reload zone. Will take some time. Aster, let's wait. Let's wait. We formed the range. $1, it's a bitch. It's a support and resistance. We'll fight that level. Let's wait. Well, W, it's a double bottom with the right side a bit slightly higher. No time for doing education programs here, Batasai. If you really want to learn, then join Discord and maybe join Capo 1. In 2026, we'll have another program. This one, Bless. You remember we took a trade yesterday in something like this? The only setup we took yesterday in the New York session? Well, hopefully you are risk free. If we'll pump to the moon, okay. This was the only trade we took yesterday, if I remember correctly. Yesterday was a day to stay the fuck out. I said it multiple times. I said it once, twice, 10 times. Stefan said it over and over again also. I took this one. That's it. Looks like I got it right. I was lucky this time. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. The more I work, the luckier I get, people. And so, underwater, nothing you can do there. Wait for the next double if you are not in. If you are in, wait for the stop loss to hit. Still a valid setup. I'm in. I'll wait. No, nothing I can do there. It's consolidating. Take the next 4-hour W. Stable. We are deep in profit, people. We made nice money with this one. If you are not in, don't do anything. Wait for the next 4-hour double. Could take some time. On daily, if you look on daily, this is an entry, people. On daily, this is an entry. What do you have here? You have a daily W with bullish divergence. Big bullish divergence. Look at it. Something happened here. Okay? With confirmation from RSI. W in the price, W in... Could this one fail because it's a new shitcoin? Yes. Usually fails. SFUs the lows and then we'll do something. If you are using little old lady, it's a good level to enter. Without W, just little old lady. You took this one and you are selling half on a double. It's that simple. Well, let's go back on 4-hour chart. That's our favorite template. We made nice money now. Nothing we can do. We should wait. Dumping. Don't touch it. Deep in profit. If you are not in the trade, you can see the M, recent M. Just leave it alone. Wait for the next W. Consolidating there. Wait for 4-hour W. It's that simple. Wait for 4-hour W. Wait for 4-hour W. This one was a pump and a dump. Will take some time until we'll form W's and we'll start pumping again. Dumping like crazy here. Testing the lows on daily. Maybe an SFU. You can see the alarm here. I'm waiting patiently. Let's see what will happen. 4-hour W here. If you'll see a W, a retest or something. But we need a 4-hour W, I think. Dumping. Wait for W's. Wait for this one to stop dumping. No setup. This one is pumping, so I don't want to touch it. Blue AI, we made nice money, people. Nice money made there. We are back at the entry. Wait for a 4-hour W or an SFU here. We can SFU and do a kind of a power of 3, maybe. Now has an AB equals CD to the downside as a target, which points out will SFU the lows. Bitcoin, it's in the Monday range. This one is consolidating. No W, no trade on EVA. This one, let's see what will happen. Okay. No W, no trade. You can see we are dumping. Give me a W. From now on, form a W here or lower, and I'll take it. Well, nothing you can do. You cannot chase there. You have to wait a retracement back down here and maybe a W. If you took that trade initially, well, you're happy. It is free on Jiggle Biggle. Don't touch it now. Wait for a W in the long reload zone if it's possible. W. Nice to see it there. Breakout, retest is pumping but has some yams now. If you are in the trade, okay. If you are not in the trade, wait a little bit more for the next 4-hour W or 1-hour W. And the last one yesterday on Binance. Pump and dump, and I missed the pump. And I missed the dump. I posted for general members. Some of them managed to take this one, pump and dump. You know me, when I don't have levels to play my fibs, I'll put from 0 to the high. And you can see, long reloads on it's a bit lower. I don't have any reason to take it. Yesterday I told you don't touch it. I told you on 1 hour or even lower time frame. Someone was trying here even. One of us posted a long setup. I said, well, it's possible. Yeah, could be, but usually gets all the way back down. No. Was a setup who was bullish. Took that setup, not me, waiting lower. Shiny, pumping, now dumping. Let it consolidate, like it, make some 4-hour W's, and then we can play it. We have it on our list. We'll play it if will be the case. Okay? Hopefully. So that's my list, people. That's the new shitcoins on Binance. Why I prefer these ones? They don't have selling pressure. They are new, they are shiny. People are talking about them. And more volatility, more opportunities here. Now, yesterday, we had field pumping. I even posted on this one. I don't think this one. Field on spot. I think I made a. There you go. Let's put what, 5-minute chart? I think so. Well, I don't think it was field. How the fuck would that one is called? Yeah. I posted about it. Anyway, someone asked today about field. Let's do a What do you want to do on field here? We pumped and we dumped. Nothing I can do here. Let's wait for going back down here, make a 4-hour W, and then we'll think about it. I think daily W will be better. So, we just showed that we are alive, people. What do you see here? It's a sign that the coins are not dead. The coins are alive. Someone bought the bottom on them, or created the bottom here with this pump. That doesn't mean you should chase. No, who bought this one? Stop buying. Got his fill. Now he's waiting. The market will come back down here, probably do a nice daily double, and then will pump. I talked about XPL in the list, man. XPL is in that new shitcoins list. Okay, so nothing I can do here. If you want to do something, well, it's pretty obvious, people. There you go. You can see where we should wait. Pump and dump. Usually it's a pump and a dump and long consolidation and then going back up. Okay. Well, people, that's about it. Half an hour of blabbing away here with you. Shitcoins? Well, some of them are pumping. I talked about, where the fuck is? We talked about FriendPet. If the games will have a chance, and probably they will. This one could pump really nicely. Nice location, nice everything. Well, do whatever you want. We talked about Anon. We made nice money. I posted the second or the third time the trade at the bottom. I told you what to do. We took the trade here on lower time frame. Why the fuck is just removing? Anyway, we took this one, 4-hour W. We made nice money again. We took this one. We made nice money. We closed 50% at we sold half on a double. We have a big bag now, and we should wait. This is forming a big chunky W. If you'll put the zoom out version, you'll see it. Okay? Look at it. Look at the chart, people. Couple one, people. Look at this one. It's like something you want to see. You want to learn about it. Don't exceed the risk. Respect the risk management. This could go to zero tomorrow. Yes, of course it can. That's why we have risk management and plans. But it's looking nice for me. In my opinion, this could do something nice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want. Well, MS Tag, I'm not your personal financial advisor, man, to tell you what to do with your own setups. What I could tell you is, when you took the short, when you took the trade, you made a plan. Respect that plan. If you didn't make a plan, made a plan before you entered, something is off. Okay? When you take a trade, you should plan. You see me, I'm entering here. This is my stop loss. This is my take profit. I'll make it risk-free at 1-to-1. I have a complete plan before I even push the button. If you don't do it like that, that's a problem. You should not ask me where to take your profit in a setup you already took. Okay? That's a good habit to have. That's a nice way to live your life, to be a good trader without high emotions. When you push the button, you already know exactly what you do. No emotions, no decision to be made after you took the trade. Decision should be made before you push the button. Why? Your mind is clear and you don't have bias. After you are in a trade, the hopes, the fear, and everything else is there. So your mind is not clear and you'll do mistakes. Plan everything before you push the buy button or you put the limit order in the market. Entry, stop loss, take profit, what you'll do if the market will do this, I'll do this. Okay? Do it. Take all the setups like this. You'll be more profitable, low emotions impact, and from there you can evolve and become a really successful trader. Maybe you already are. I don't know. Yeah, and this is a financial advice. Yeah, if you want a financial advice, plan everything before you enter. Don't wait. Well, I took this trade and I don't know. I'm long, so I'm hoping for higher. Well, but I'm also fearful. If will dump. If usually you are fearful when the market is below your entry, and you are greedy when it's above. No. Plan before, or complete plan before the entry, and then you'll see how easy it is to evolve, to grow, to become profitable and make money. Okay, I'm exceeding my time. Stefan, and how much time from now you'll do the live stream? I don't know if Stefan is still here. Stefan was listening to me from years ago. I don't think he still wants to do that. Anyway, in half an hour, 20 minutes maybe, he will post the link on Discord. He'll post the link on Twitter. So just join the live stream. You can ask Stefan lower time frame. You can ask Stefan all the requests you want. Yeah. Once a week you get Stefan, kill him, ask all the questions you want. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you next time. Bye bye.